How to use text-to-speech in WebPad. First of all, open WebPad on your computer, then go to the Tools menu at the top and select Text-to-Speech from the drop-down list. Next, a new window will open where you can type or paste the text you want to convert into speech. You can enter any text such as scripts, message or narration. After that, choose your preferred voice from the available options. WebPad usually offers several voices with different accents and genders to suit your needs. You can also click the preview button to listen to how the text sounds when spoken. Once you have chosen, click on Synthesize Speech. The audio will then be added to your timeline. Now you can adjust the speech rate and volume if needed to make the audio sound natural and clear. Finally, save your project or export the speech audio as a file by clicking File, then Save As and choosing your desired format like MP3 or WAV. And that's it. Now you know how to use text-to-speech in WebPad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.